And we woke up in the early morning of Hemu village. It's so tranquil. We planned to go to a small hill outside the village to play with snow. One of the dogs saw us and followed us and then loudly called its little buddies. Before long, the dogs followed us to the small hill in groups and just sat on the snow, rolling around and begging to be petted. Then, at that moment, thinking of the incidents of something like the abusing cats and dogs that happens all over the country every day in China, I really hope that an anti-animal abuse law can be established in China as soon as possible. The cats and dogs are companion animals for humans and have provided a lot of emotional value. They're all lovely and loyal souls. For thousands of years, dogs have not only been humans' companions, but they can also serve as search and rescue dogs, the drug-sniffing dogs, working dogs, the guide dogs, and retriever. They have really helped humans in so many ways. So please don't hurt them anymore. We also tried a game called 泼水成冰, and basically the physical principle is that the water vapor in the boiling water sublimates into gorgeous ice crystals when encountering extremely cold air. And the snow here is fine and soft, just like flour. We also tried the game called 糖雪, which is so viral on social media platforms at that time. And I was always worrying about that there might be sharp branches or other foreign objects in the snow. So I didn't dare to lie down completely and boldly at first. It took me several times before I finally succeeded. On the road, we encountered many wild foxes begging for food. Many people on the internet feed them with human food, but actually this shouldn't be done as it can cause various diseases for them, even kill them. So the next morning, we took a horse-drawn sleigh to the viewing platform to watch the sunrise. Although we wrapped ourselves in the quilt, our bodies were still frozen stiff. On the viewing platform, we saw the panorama of Hemu village. And honestly speaking, the layout of the houses here isn't as neat as that in Kanasi village, but it is still beautiful, just like the paradise and utopia. And people, animals, and nature, everything is so wonderful.